Hey everyone, Dylan DeFazio here with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and in today's video we're going to be covering how to get traffic to your multiple income funnel using free methods. And I'm going to be showing you guys some of the resources, and I'm also going to be showing you guys some of the free training that's also inside of the back office. So it's going to be a short and sweet video, so let's jump right into it. Alright guys, before we get started, if you're brand new here, my name is Dylan DeFazio. I'm an online marketer. If you guys want to connect with me, head over to my Facebook at facebook.com/Dylan DeFazio online. You can shoot me a message if you guys have any questions or about joining the team or the multiple income funnel or any of the training that I go over in this video. Now on this channel, we talk about how to make money online, and our main focus right now is the multiple income funnel because I believe it's the easiest. For one, it takes like less than an hour to get set up, and two, there's tons of training for newbies and it's a seamless process, okay? All you got to do is follow the 4 videos, set up all the income streams, start sending traffic, and over time, as the system follows up with leads, you're going to start seeing sales come through. And then once you start getting those sales, then you can actually snowball this and leverage your results to start making some crazy income like some of the people inside our group. So if you guys want to add me on Facebook, go ahead and do that. But what we're going to be talking about in this video is if we go over to the multiple income funnel, if you log into your back office, if you haven't set up your account yet, it's $49 per month to set this up. You earn $20 monthly residual income, and you can also get paid from the other income streams in this system. So if you guys want to join, it'll be the first link in the description below, and that's how you're going to make money from building your list and getting people into this system. I'm going to show you the results of these traffic methods, and I'll show you how to actually use these. Okay, so the Facebook and social media posts, you can actually go ahead and post these into Facebook groups, or you can just put them on your wall. I put one out here not too long ago on mine, or you can go into make money online groups, and you can post something like that in this group. Just drop the picture, and then when people like and comment, you can actually send them a message if they seem like a real person. If not, you can kind of just disregard it. But you can just post that, maybe somebody comments, maybe somebody doesn't. It's not a for sure method, right? Buying traffic is a for sure method. That's something where you're going to get interested people, right? But maybe you don't have the money to get, doing that right away. So you can start posting on your Facebook account. And I also have a training, okay? So if you guys want to get access to my training, you can message me. It's going to be available for people who have set up income stream number 1, okay? So that's the $49 per month. It's going to give you access to, all of these things, and then you can set up the other income streams as you, start to make sales and as you start to build your business, okay? What we're going to be doing to get started is we're actually going to work on the free methods and get members into the business, okay? So I have a free Facebook training, and I also have a free YouTube training. All right, I recommend you watch both of those videos. I'm also going to be coming out with a daily email broadcast video, right? Because I've come out with a video on how to actually get all of your leads from the multiple income funnel onto GetResponse, so you can actually follow up with those leads yourself and increase the amount of sales that you can actually get. Okay, so that's one thing that we're going to be looking for. And then I'm also going to be launching Udemy solo ads. I'm not going to be launching this video until I get a sale from a Udemy solo ad vendor. That is my goal right now. So if we actually go over to traffic, that brings us to Traffic Authority. That's the expensive traffic. It's going to get you sales, but what you're focusing on right now is cheaper methods to still make this system work, okay? It's people for people that are on a budget. So if we actually go over, look at our links, and we pull this up. So I've ran 2 solo ads already. So one was 100 clicks. We got 38 leads, and we got 2 hits to the VSL. That was to the new ebook funnel. All right, so not amazing results. The other solo ad, it was only 50 clicks, but he sent 86, we got 17 leads, 16 of them to the VSL, and from email follow-up, we've gotten 3 people back to the video sales letter. All the VSL means is people that are going back to the video sales letter. So they're people that potentially, right, if they go back enough times, they'll eventually sign up and get started and become a sale, and then this box will become a number 1. Okay, so the solo ad I'm running right now, it's going pretty good. I'm running it to sales funnel number 3. So if we take a look at this, I was talking to one of the top income earners, and this is the sales funnel that he uses. So I thought I would send some traffic to this and see if we can get some results. So far we have 24 hits, we have 8 leads, and 8 of those people have hit the video sales letter. No email follow-up has gone out yet because this solo ad is still in the works. It's again for 100 clicks. So 100 clicks is about $40 on Udemy. So my goal is to, I'm locked in at the $500 level. So if I could make a $500 sale from a $40 solo ad, even if it takes me, say I have to buy 3 different solo ads, right, totaling about $120. If I make a $500 commission from those, that seems pretty beneficial to me. Okay, so that's what we're going for here. And then another way that you guys can get traffic, let's just go back over to, I'll just open it up in a new tab. So we'll go back over to the resources. You can actually use banner ads, okay? So we can use these banner ads. If we go over to the links again, you can see we've gotten 16 hits, 2 leads, and 4 views of the video sales letter, with 2 more views through email follow-up from the Crypto Pros banner. From the Crypto Pros login ad, we got 47 hits, no leads, no hits at all, so that one didn't work very well. The text ad, we actually did 21 hits, 4 leads, and we've had 1 person come back from the emails. Okay, so, and then the email banner, that's my actual get response. So I put a multiple income funnel banner up at the top, so when I send my emails out, if they click that banner, it brings them back to the sales page. Okay, so doing that alone has gotten me another 27 views to this video sales letter. So that's my goal right now, is just to get as many views, as many people back to the video sales letter as possible, so that the video sales letter can do its magic and convert those leads into buyers. Okay, so that's my goal right now. Unfortunately, we haven't had our sale yet, but we're still working. Okay, and YouTube, I think we've got 3 videos up. This will be the 4th video on this, on this multiple income funnel. We've gotten 2 leads from it so far, and 2 from the video sales letter. So if you guys want to join the team and you guys want to be, one of those people that hit that sale and you guys want to get started, let me know in the comments once you guys have started, and hopefully we can get you guys some traffic as well and get you, making sales and earning some commissions from this. Okay. So what is Crypto Pros? So Crypto Pros is a crypto platform. Obviously, you get started with Bitcoin and you buy these different packages. Okay. You buy package number 1, 2, 3, 4, and what these packages do is they give you traffic, okay? So you can submit a banner ad, you can submit a text ad, you can submit a login ad, okay? So as we've seen, they do drive traffic, they do get leads. We haven't made a sale from one yet, but that doesn't mean by continuing to, send traffic from this platform, it doesn't mean that down the road we won't make a sale. Right? Over time, the system's going to continue to follow up. It sends out emails every single day, right? So eventually these people are going to continue to get these emails until they unsubscribe or until they buy, okay? So the system's going to follow up with them for infinity, okay? So that's one thing that I want you guys to pay attention to. And I think we covered all of the traffic methods, all right? Let me just go back over here. Okay, so there's one more thing that I want to share with you guys, is the actual training. Okay, so if you guys actually go into this, there's a success training, right? This is going to be your success pledge, how to set up your goals, how to get your mind working in the way that is going to push you to success, okay? I write on my board, right? I have written in Sharpie, I will be a millionaire by the time I am 30. Okay, so that is my goal, to build this to $1 million and to build a financial freedom business using my computer. Okay, so this training is awesome. If you haven't gone through it, I recommend doing that once you set up your income stream number 1, which is again only $49 per month. I can't stress that enough. You get 2 or 3 people, you get 3 people and you're in profit, okay? $20 per month per member, and that's it. So traffic training, they're going to walk you through how to get traffic, how to use Facebook, how to use your warm market, cold market, everything that you need to know, your offline pitching method, which you can actually use the TextBot AO or the TextBot income stream. If we go over here to, yeah, right there, income stream number 3, you can actually use that phone number on a card and you can hand that card out. People can call that phone number and get sent back to the system and you can make a commission, okay? So very, very cool stuff that is working in the system. If you guys enjoyed this shorter, but straight to the point training video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the comments. If there's anything I missed or if there's anything that you guys wanted me to cover, let me know again in the comments below. I'll be reading all of your guys' comments, and I'll be replying to the comments that need, to be replied to. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Dylan Fazio here, and we'll see you in the next one.